What's up, jammers? Welcome back. This week, we load for inspection. If we pass it, we're on to Raptor liners. That's a big if. Stay tuned. What's up, jammers? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Will It Pass?
Yeah, very exciting.
Well, we had the truck loaded. We left the house at dark 30 this morning.
Yeah.
We got here super early, number 2 in line. We just got the results, guys. And apparently it's cancerous.
No, that's your other thing.
Oh. We passed. We gotta go now, apply for the title, and we'll get our rebranded title, and then we're on to selling.
I know.
Isn't that awesome?
We are really pumped about this, and I don't know. I had a few doubts, but
I had a little bit of anxiety near the end.
So we're in good shape. We appreciate you guys and all your support with this truck. So we're excited. We have a couple more weeks of working on the truck, and hopefully we get our title back, and then we are going to sell this baby. And on to the next one.
On to the next one. So if you're interested, let us know.
All right, guys, first up, bumper filler. Let's take this thing off.
This was made in a factory with a template. It's slotted so that it slides into the holes. See the barbs on the side right here? You push them in, and it pulls out. It goes out. See this? See?
There you go.
See? Can you see it? Let's get after it, folks! So, we're gonna do a little bit of roughing up over here because before we can put the Raptor liner on it, we have to rough the surface up so it bonds with the metal. So that's what this guy's for. I just love that noise.
see your haircut. I think we should do this. I think you should, okay, come here, come a little closer to the camera. Now let's let everybody look. Leave a comment below if you think Ryan's haircut is a little bit hipster.
We will unfriend you. We will unfriend you.
All right.
All right.
So here's our Raptor line, everybody. And here's our hardware. You want to take this? Really complicated.
Yep.
Pour it in this bottle. And then shake it up for 2 minutes, and then we're ready to spray it. Here it goes.
Also, comment below. Let me know what you think of my professional painter hat. Hey, Jason.
I thought you were going to say, comment below and tell me if you think if my haircut is hipster or not.
Alright, so I got everything hit with our adhesion promoter. Wait for him. On to the next one.
Bumper filler. Good.
So hey everybody, we just finished painting up the bumper. Not sure what Ryan's doing. And we did the bumper filler.
I got a little leftovers up here on my beard.
For real?
Yeah. You like my crazy eye?
I think the fumes are a bit too strong.
You have some food on your beard.
So we're gonna let this sit for the night, and we're gonna put these on tomorrow.
Don't like to be right up on top of my work. And up she goes. Oh yeah, this is definitely an easier approach. Look at that. Like a glove. Snug as a bug in a rug.
That looks pretty awesome. Ryan, that looks pretty good, bro.
It looks amazing! Guys, I don't know. I don't think we nailed it. I feel like it looks awesome. I'm just kidding. Check it out. So why are we doing this, Jason?
Why are we doing this?
Yeah.
Because our man Cotton said
stresses him out.
He pretty much guilted us into it.
Yep.
100%.
Yep.
But I enjoy soldering, so I don't mind.
What's up, guys?
Hey,
It's back together. The truck is done.
are you not impressed?
It's flipping done. Everything. We do have to clean it. That's the last step we have.
Yep.
And then we're waiting for the title work, but we will clean it and then we're gonna list it. And when the title comes in, we'll sell it.
Awesome. If you guys want to buy this truck, hit us up. Send us a message. What is our email?
info@jmrrebuilders.com.
It's official. You can also go to our website now and use the contact form.
At jmrrebuilders.com.
Or you can check us out on Instagram on
At jmrrebuilders.
or Twitter
At jmrrebuilders.
or Facebook,
At jmrrebuilders.
or you could just look us up in the Yellow Pages.
At jmrrebuilders.
No, we don't have that one. But anyway,
All right, if you guys want to see last week's episode, it's down here. You want to see the playlist, it's up here. And this is for you, Eli. We'll see you next time. GEARWRENCH!